Hello viewers, today we are discussing about transport in plants. Normally plants, food materials, water molecules, minerals or elements they are be transported from one region to another region, one cell to another cell, from root to shoot, whatever it may be, they are transported. So today discussing about transport in plants. In plants, transportation is two types. Number one, short distance transport system. Second one is long distance transport system. Short distance and long distance transport system. In short distance transport system, molecules they may be transferred from one cell to another cell. One cell to another cell. That is a short distance. Here, these short distance transport system occur in two ways. That is, one way is diffusion. And another one is cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic streaming. In these two ways, short distance transport system is occur in plants. But in long distance transport system, it occur with the help of vascular bundles. Vascular bundles. In this, xylem and phloem are involved. Xylem and phloem tissues are involved. What is xylem? Xylem is nothing but it is water conducting tissue. Xylem is water conducting tissue and phloem is food conducting tissue. Phloem is food conducting tissue. Water always moves from soil to roots and branches and it enters into leaves. Finally, it reaches environment. So again, soil, root, stem, branch, leaf and environment. That is transportation of molecules. Its way is always in single way. That is unidirection. It is called unidirection. Water molecules transportation or water conduction way is always unidirection. It occurs in xylem. So in xylem, water movement is always unidirectional. But in phloem, food conduction, it occurs. Food is prepared in leaves. That prepared food materials are transported to storage organs. It may be roots or fruits and any other parts, other plant parts. Finally, that stored food materials again redirected or retransported to utilizing organs. It means in phloem, food transportation is multi-directional or both ways. That is bidirectional or also called as multi-direction. Food transportation in phloem is multi-directional way. Let us discuss about short distance transport system. That is number one, mode of transport, that is diffusion. Diffusion means transfer of molecules from high concentration region to low concentration region. Transfer of molecules from high concentration region to low concentration region. is called diffusion. In diffusion, molecules are transferred from high concentration region to low concentration region. They may be high concentration region to low concentration region, that is called diffusion. It is a passive transport. Passive means there is no need of any energy. From ATP, there is no utilizing of energy from ATP. Molecules are transferred, so that it is called passive mode of nutrition, passive mode of transport system. That is a diffusion, and it is a slow process. It is a slow process. It is a slow process. Diffusion, molecules are transferred from high concentration to low concentration. It is a passive mode of transport system. There is no need of any energy, and it is a slow process. It is a slow process, and diffusion is very important in plants because CO2 and O2 gases exchange through stomata is occur with the formula that is diffusion, based on diffusion, that is occur based on the concentration gradient. And this diffusion depends on or affected by four main characters. Affected by number 1, concentration gradient. Concentration gradient. If the molecule's concentration is more, then its diffusion also more. And also second one is membrane permeability. Membrane permeability also depends or affected diffusion. Third one, temperature. Temperature also affects diffusion. And fourth one, pressure. These four characters are, or four things are affects diffusion rate. This diffusion rate also depends on size of molecules. Small substances, small molecules, they can diffuse faster, but larger subunits, it's